Hi, my name is Del, and I'm the founder of Unfinished. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble our mini rocker. It's super easy and takes just about a minute. Your mini rocker is going to come in two parts. There's a seat in the back and the sides. Move the seat and back to the side and grab your two sides. Flip them upwards. I prefer to flip them with the bottoms facing away from me. Grab the seat and fit them into the grooves here. You may need to move it around a little bit to get them to slide through. Once they're aligned, put some pressure on both sides. You're halfway there. Flip it over. And grab the back. Do the same thing just like this, aligning the grooves and making sure they're snug. And that's it. You're done. It should look like this, ready for use and some good old fun.